Hi there, welcome to this free lesson on creating a profitable cloud kitchen business. In this free course, we will learn more on what is exactly you meant by a cloud kitchen and how to make a profitable cloud kitchen business in 2022. Let's jump into it. So in this free training, we will learn more on what exactly is a cloud kitchen business and how you can make profit out of a cloud kitchen business. So nowadays, if you are a member of some Facebook groups, you will heard about a lot of negative people like you are not able to make a profit out of it, and a lot of complaints like Swiggy and Zomato, they are stealing the commissions. The fact is 90% of the new cloud kitchen business will definitely fail in 1 year. So that can be your disadvantage, but the 10% will definitely come up from this kind of market, and they can still generate a great amount of profit and a great of life for the owner. Let's learn how exactly and you can be the member of that 10% people who can generate a great amount of profit out of a cloud kitchen business only. So what is exactly you meant by a cloud kitchen? Cloud kitchen is like there is no dining area, probably you know, and there is no storefront. It's a pure cloud kitchen and it's not visible to the passing crowd or like normal people. So like the order is only possible through Swiggy and Zomato and delivery apps like Thrive and Dotpay also, or through WhatsApp or through call. You can place an order, and there is no direct customer interactions, and there is no sit down area so that people can come and have the food, and there is no wait stuff like to take the order, so that there is no waiter involved. So only people you need in a cloud kitchen is like chef and your kitchen helpers and probably a manager to handle everything, and the menus will be optimized for the deliveries. Like you can't serve fine dine items like some salads which can be presented properly on a plate. So that kind of items not delivery friendly. So whenever you pack and you send it to your customers, at least the food will travel to almost 15 to 20 minutes on an average, and with the road condition and the traffic, probably that kind of thing is not feasible in cloud kitchen. So almost most of the Indian foods are delivery friendly, and there comes the packaging part also. Based on your food, you should choose an optimized packaging solution, so that ultimately when your food reaches to your customer after 15-20 minutes or probably 1 hour also sometimes, so that they can have a great food after that also. It should not be that much spoiled while traveling. And there are another concept which is a hybrid cloud kitchen, probably one of the most profitable cloud kitchen model out there. So there again, there is no dining area or storefront. Orders can be possible through Swiggy and Zomato, and also you can serve through takeaway service. Like some customers, they don't want to trust the restaurant initially. They want to see whether where is it located exactly, who is the owner, who is the kitchen chef, like that. So they want to come and experience like exactly how they are preparing, where the food is coming from, and for them like this kind of hybrid thing can work. And for an around, like if your total revenue is like for example 5 lakhs, you are generating 1.5 to 2 lakhs from this takeaway, then there is no commission involved. Everything, all the money will go directly to your account. So only some POS charge, which is can be 1 or 2% you have to pay. So this kind of thing can give your restaurant physical visibility also, as well as online. And yet there is no dining area or storefront, only takeaway you can provide. Again, there is no sit down area, there is no need to hire any wait staff. Probably you can hire an extra person to cater those takeaway delivery. And again, the menu should be optimized for travel, so which the food can travel well inside your optimized packaging solution. Now we got the what is exactly is cloud kitchen. Now we will learn more about on the 3 key success factors for cloud kitchen. So in our experience, we have seen a lot of cloud kitchen restaurants. They are doing great, and they are doing it in these 3 success factors. They are tapping in properly and then creating a sustainable business in a long run. So first is a multi-brand operation from a single kitchen. For example, you are serving a pizza from your cloud kitchen restaurant. Then you can start a burger specific cuisine also. So no need to add more items in a single brand itself, because whenever a customer is switching on their apps like Swiggy, Zomato, or the other the direct delivery apps, or if they want to call or WhatsApp you, they don't want to get spoiled with too much of choices. If they are getting too much choices, then they might get confused and they don't probably place the order from your outlet. So what you can do, have a short and crisp menu, not more than 30 items. Out of that 30 items also, you can create some 10 to 12 items which you can push it to the recommended section in Swiggy and Zomato. For Swiggy, to design a recommended section, you have to send an email to the partner support, and for Zomato, you can do it from your menu dashboard directly. So you can create a multi-brand without increasing your raw material. So, and also if your kitchen process is optimized, no need to give pressure to your chef and others. So just increase a little bit of raw material and operate multi-brand. At least for a 500 square feet kitchen, you can definitely operate 3 brand. And to create that multi-brand, you should have a optimized kitchen process. Like your purchase is streamlined, you know, like how much demand you are getting on a weekday and weekend basis. If your brand is new, then there is no previous data point to predict it. So let's launch the brand and run it for 1 month consistently. Then you can have a great idea like how much orders you're getting. So implement a proper inventory management process. You don't have to buy expensive POS for that. There are a lot of spreadsheet templates are available. You can also download some templates from our website itself. So those are free to download. You can access that. You can learn the fundamentals of managing an inventory inside your kitchen. So, and even if you are buying expensive POS also, then there also you have to upload the data from your kitchen itself, so that have a habit of recording the data. Give a small training to your kitchen employees. Just tell them no need to waste, and record the wastage also, so that you can have an idea like what's your expected food cost percentage and what is your exact food cost percentage. There will be some variance obviously, but try to minimize the variance. If your expected food cost percentage is around 30%, but your actual food cost percentage is 34 to 35%, then if you are doing a 5 lakhs of revenue per month, then there is a 5% variance. So that is translated into a huge amount of money when your revenue is up and going up. So try to minimize those variance. At least try to have 0.5 to 1% of variance between your expected food cost percentage and actual food cost percentage, so that also if you can't measure the data, you can't improve the kitchen efficiency and the process. So there are a lot of variables like kitchen preparation time, your food cost percentage, your inventory turnover ratio. These metrics, if you are following it, you're already ahead of all these 95% of other cloud kitchen businesses. Once you have a greater back of hotel operation, then you can scale up aggressively. So third is your robust digital marketing plan you should have. So for a cloud kitchen business, it's very difficult to have an interaction with your customer physically. So if you don't have that, so you should have a proper digital marketing plan. It's like you should have a proper Facebook and Instagram page. Nowadays it's very easy to open, but very tough to get a success through that pages. So you should have a proper strategy, like you are posting regularly on your Facebook and Instagram pages, and then you can pushing it for a conversion focused sales ads. So create a sales funnel kind of thing, like a first step, if they're coming, give them some coupon code, 50% off, 40% off, and if your initial goal should be to get as much as customer possible and let them try your food. Then in the next step, you can retarget. Probably you have to pay 150 to 200 rupees for like a single customer, you have to get that single customer, you have to pay 200 rupees, and if your average order value is 250 to 300, then definitely you are not profitable at the first order. But if that customer loves your food and ordering it again for again 2-3 times in a month, then and overall in a year, if they are ordering for you with at least 12 times, then you are profitable. So first give them some great offer, let them try your food, and don't discount that much heavily for a longer period of time. Give discounts only for your initial first set of customers. If they love food, they're going to come again. So just run this campaign strategically, have a proper plan, just publish regularly on your Facebook and Instagram pages. You can take help of your Facebook's internal publishing tool, and then you can create some conversion focused ads through Facebook Ads Manager. So, and create a sales funnel, and whenever somebody is coming, just track them. You can retarget them back with the mobile numbers or the visitors data. Then that retarget will not cost you a big amount of money. So ultimately, end of the day, your business can be profitable in the long run. In this kind of funnel, if it's ready, then your cloud kitchen can be profitable. So these are the 3 key steps. So we will discuss more on the multi-brand operation, how it can help and how you can implement, and what are the key factors to have a multi-brand operation. And like, you should choose a delivery friendly category. Like if you are serving biryani as an Indian cuisine, that thing you can't combine with another Italian or normal continental cuisine, which items doesn't travel well. Yes, pizza travel definitely well, but you have to reach them within 30 minutes. Otherwise, if you're delivering late, pizza doesn't taste good that much. So, and also don't need to increase the raw material for your first brand. If your inventory has a raw item of 80 items, then don't increase it by like 20%, for example. Like, don't just have one item less than 100 items, then it can be fine. Then otherwise your inventory turnover ratio will go down, and you can have some lot of wastages. And test customer response like as fast as possible. Like, you don't have to spend that much amount of money to have an idea about your item list. You can just come up with a new concept, new recipe, and just click some picture and upload it to your Swiggy and Zomato dashboard, and see whether the customers are ordering for that item or not. So it's a cost of failure is very less in cloud kitchen business, and take leverage out of it. You don't have to prepare in big amount. Like, for example, if you are introducing a new item, like a new special burger, then just have a raw item of 5 to 10 items when the day you are launching, and for the next 7 days keep that in your inventory and check whether the customers are ordering, what's the feedback of that rating. Sometimes you'll face some fake ratings also. Like, if the customer wants just for the sake of a refund, they want a refund, that kind of customers you will get more or less 2 or 3% of a total customer will always ask for a refund, even though your food is great. So just remove those outliers and have genuine feedback from your customers, or maybe you can give the food to your friends and ask them for honest feedback. Based on that, then the intuition, make that item permanent, and just test your customer response as fast as possible. And implement the menu engineering. This is one of the important part of a multi-brand operation. So create a simple spreadsheet for all the items you have across your brands. Calculate the food cost, what's the sales price after discount and GST and everything, and what's the contribution margin for your restaurant you're getting out of that item. So whichever item is giving you the highest number of contribution margin, push it to the top in the recommended section. Then some items just not getting orders, probably you can give some small discount to push them to the top, and some items definitely people are not ordering, so just cut down all these things and create a super crisp profitable menu. Second, we will discuss more on the second factor, what you can do to optimize your kitchen process. So first is like you should automate some processes. For example, it's a very simple example. you can create some ginger garlic paste. So whenever your kitchen is about to open, before that in 2-3 hours, ask your kitchen staff to create pastes. If you want some pre-gravies, premix gravies, just prepare it and store it and check whether how much shelf life it has. Just put a sticker on top of that vessels, and just like when you did the manufacturing and like how much day it needed and what's the best before time, just put a sticker and create premix, create the gravies, pastes, whatever you want. Just create all these things and store it in your normal freeze or the freezer based out of, and also some non-veg marinades or veg marinades, whatever you want. Create premix. It will reduce the kitchen preparation time, which should be ideally below 15 minutes, whichever item you choose, so that it will give you an advantage to serve as many as number possible in a shortest amount of time. Because in kitchen what happens, like you will get mostly the orders between that 6 hours, like 12 to 3 p.m. and 6 to 9 p.m. So if you have this kind of premixes set, then you can prepare as much as number possible with the less amount of people inside your kitchen. And also this will reduce your ultimate kitchen preparation time. So Swiggy and Zomato, they are a data company. They track data very religiously. So if your kitchen preparation time is going up 20 to 25 minutes, and then the expected delivery time will be higher on customer app. So probably your average delivery time will go up till 50 or 55 minutes. Then if somebody is seeing your kitchen will deliver in 50 to 55 minutes, then it will be a very red flag. Try to have overall delivery time between 30 to 45 minutes. Then your kitchen preparation time is most crucial, and based on that only automatically your overall delivery time will be shown to your customer in the customer app. So just have a proper check on kitchen preparation time. And again, the inventory management, you have to manage it properly. Take help of some free spreadsheet templates and use it. No need to invest if you are an initial cloud kitchen brand. No need to invest on the high-end POS systems. Then offer takeout to willing customers. Like if somebody wants to come to your kitchen and take the orders, don't deny them. Tell them your location and just let them come to your kitchen space or take the orders. So just create a neat and clean entry option if possible. Then they can come and they can. Some customers, they have a behavior to just check with the restaurant where they are located, how the kitchen chef is, and they just can come and take the food. That can create an extra revenue sources without commission. And also, like, the packaging should be proper. It's based on your items, different menus. So choose some good quality packaging. No need to compromise on that. You can charge your customers for example 10 to 15 rupees per order. That's fine, because customers can pay if your food is good and if your packaging is spillage free. If the food can reach them in a very good condition, then definitely you should have a proper investment for your packaging. So, and third part is like the digital marketing plan. So if it's very crucial for your cloud kitchen business success. Mostly all cloud kitchen owners, they fail because they don't have a proper digital marketing plan initially. Probably they can invest 5 lakhs to set up their kitchen. What we suggest is, like, if you have a budget of creating a cloud kitchen of like 10 lakhs or 5 lakhs, keep aside 30 to 35% of the entire budget for the marketing. Try to set up the kitchen in very less amount of kitchen equipments and everything possible. Have an extra budget for the marketing. If you have an extra budget only, then only you can win in this cloud kitchen digital sector. Otherwise, a lot of competitors are there. They are organized. They have a proper marketing team, so you are up against them. So you have a proper digital marketing plan. Then go ahead, create the cloud kitchen. And you should have your first Facebook and Instagram page properly set up. There are some checklists, and like your menu is displayed there properly. Your opening closing time is mentioned in the Swiggy and in the Instagram, Facebook page and the Google. Like that, phone number is visible to your customers. They can see your menus, photos, images. Just collaborate with them. Nowadays, everybody is on social. And second is your the store. Treat this as your storefront. Even though you don't have a physical storefront, this is your actual storefront. Treat it like a proper storefront. Design it, polish it, so that you can attract more and more customers to your store. So optimize first your digital listing in Swiggy and Zomato. Use high quality food images. Push your higher selling items to the recommended section, so that you can have a higher average order value and your ultimately profitability will go up. And also optimize your Google business profile and just update your customers what exactly is happening. Ask them for the rating. If you have a very good rating, chances will be very high you will get new customers, and it can create a snowball impact very fast. And third is the run every channel, multi-channel marketing. Like you take the leverage of all other channels. Like you run ads on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube if possible. You can just create some food videos, some B-rolls and normal videos, and you can publish to the YouTube, and end of the video just have a call to action to order from your restaurant with an offer code. And then you should run ads on all the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and take the leverage of Swiggy's CPC's campaign. Yes, definitely it's not profitable at first step, but if you have a proper budget, you are not going to that kind of guaranteed you are not going to earn a profit out of your CPC campaigns. But if you run it initially, then at least your brand will have some view and to others. So if your customer is seeing Facebook, Instagram ads, probably they are seeing on Google, YouTube, you'd never know like if they're going to order from Swiggy or not. Definitely they think like, okay, let's order from Swiggy. So whenever they're opening Swiggy, also you are showing up there also. So ultimately it will create a great impact on, like, your brand is showing everywhere. So you can have a maximum number of orders from all other channels. So ultimately just take the overall marketing spend and take the overall revenue and how it's going. Based on that data, you can take a great decisions later. So you can spend 20%. I just have a 80-20 split. 20% on the brand awareness campaigns, which are just to increase your likes and followers of your Facebook and Instagram pages. And nowadays Facebook and Instagram don't have that much organic visibility. Like if you have a 500 followers or 1000 followers, only 10% of them can see your post first. So just 20% at least your page should not look like a scam. Like at least 400 to 500 page likes. So in India, 5 to 10 rupees per likes it can come, but that will not be a fake followers. That will be genuine followers who really wants to order food from the restaurant. So don't buy followers from the other sources which will be full of fake profiles, but run some brand awareness campaign from Facebook Ad Manager itself. There you can get some legit followers who can be your customers in later point of time. And also then the main juice is on the conversion of the purchase ads. So Facebook knows who are taking action, who are buying from other businesses. So it will show your ads to those customers only who are buying online. So focus on 80% on the conversion and purchase ads, so that you can also, if you have a direct ordering platform or through WhatsApp channel, you can create these campaigns, and you can have your own customer data also beyond Swiggy and Zomato. Also, you should maintain your own customer data. Otherwise, someday Swiggy and Zomato can decide like shutting down your restaurant because you're not following these metrics, something like that. So you should have an insurance kind of thing. Have your own delivery channel also, which can help. Nowadays, there are some third-party companies out there. You don't have to employ some delivery riders initially. Just take the leverage of third-party riders, and you can onboard your restaurant to Thrive or Doorway, something like that. And they have a partnership with delivery partnership companies called Shadowfax, Dunzo. You can take leverage of their network. So once your restaurant is settled, and you can have your own delivery driver also. So do you think is it too difficult to implement? Like there are multi-brand operations, a lot of complicated concepts. So no need to overwhelm. We have created a full-fledged course to create a profitable cloud kitchen business. We haven't found any structured content and course across the industry. So we have created this course to give you a proper step-by-step guidance to have a profitable cloud kitchen business as well as a great life for you and your family. So also we have created a spam-free community where you can feel free to post, and there we will make sure there are no other fake people are there. So you will have a great response from other restaurant owners. Also, you will be able to download some business templates like the inventory management template, the marketing KPI sheet, some image guidelines for Swiggy, Zomato, and your other apps. If you want to upload your food images, how to click the photos, all this kind of, there are countless number of helpful guides are there. So as part of this total module, it will come as a package. Then the modules will be like, first module we will understand the finance of a food delivery business. We will have a breakdown of the Swiggy and Zomato report this here, so that you can have an understanding of like how many orders you need to be a profitable business, how you can process those orders, and how much employees you need, and what should be your proper profit and loss statement, and what should be your ideal operating margin. To the owner, as an owner, you should have like at least 15 to 20% overall margin, which is quite tough to implement in cloud kitchen business. But if you have a system and process in place, definitely you can implement. In the second part, we will discuss more on the menu pricing and engineering. We will have an option to download the menu engineering templates, which we have designed for a thriving cloud kitchen businesses. So, and just input your sales data, input your food cost. You can have your recipe costing template, and we will have a detailed training on that, how to design the pricing, how to have a winning pricing strategy in Swiggy and Zomato and your direct ordering or takeaway. No need to run a discount for a long period of time. This is the number one mistake people do on Swiggy and Zomato and any other aggregator platform. Like, they will run discount for a lifelong time, and once the discount, or they make it switch off, the customer, probably 80% of the customers will be wiped out. Nobody will come and order. So we should have a strategic and smart discount in place, so that people have the satisfaction of entering the coupon code and have the discount, and also you are not losing money on every orders. And also in the third part, we will discuss on the kitchen process, especially optimized for your food delivery business. A kitchen process can be different for a full-fledged restaurant and a cloud kitchen, where every item is optimized towards delivery, which the food can travel well. Then in the detailed part, what we have discussed in this free training of a marketing process for a cloud kitchen business, we will tear down all the sales funnels. We will show it and we will execute in front of you. Like, I will show you the real-time data of our cloud kitchen brands. What are the campaign strategy? What is how you can open a Facebook Business Manager? How you can create ads from the Facebook Ads Manager? How you can run Google Ads? How you can create YouTube video ads for your local users in a radius of 10 kilometers. That in a detailed fashion, we will create a proper funnel for you. And the final part, we will have a project to implement by yourself with the help of our guidance to implement a Facebook ad campaign, through which you can generate direct orders to your own platform and have a great profit margin at the end of the day. So that also you will have a lot of customer data. So we will give you a proper winning marketing strategy for a cloud kitchen business. You can implement it properly, then you can see the result. Definitely your business will rise from 2x, 3x in the coming month. Now only, and after 12 months, definitely you can expect your business can grow at least to 5 to 10x margin. So the course, if you just imagine, like, if your profit is increasing, you don't just follow a structured path and you are happy, and you are able to project the finances, like how many orders you need, how many orders you need to reach your desired profitability, how much money you have invested, when you can get back. You just have a proper benchmark, like a lot of other successful organized business they do. You will learn more on that. In the third part, like you will be able to run the marketing like a pro. So when you are running a cloud kitchen, you are up against the big players like Level Foods and others. They have a proper marketing team in place. They know which creative works, how it works. We will show you how they analyze and run the marketing campaigns. They have a professional team. You can learn more on that, or else you can, if you are going to hire a next person, you can come to your team and run a marketing. They can't fool you. If you are going to an agency also, they can't fool you if you know the fundamentals very well. So right now the course will have on offer going on. We are giving it because we will launch it in a phase wise manner. So if you want, that 50% off link is in the description. You can click on that. That course we can give it to you as of now in a 50% off manner, because we will be the initial set of customers. We love it. We want to make sure that you are running a profitable cloud kitchen business. At the end of the day, you're earning a lot of money and have a great life for your family. Wish you all the best.